Alright boys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change out the side markers on a Ford Mustang GT. These side markers, I already have them popped out, but I'm gonna show you guys how to take the other side off, then you have an idea how to do it. So these are some barn lights. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys to see it. So when you're approaching the car and you put on the key, obviously it turns on, but look at how ugly and not nice it looks, you know what I'm saying? So today I decided to just upgrade it kind of and just give it like a LED, kind of touch up on it. This little ugly bulb, it's not gonna cut it at all. So why don't we go for something that looks LED and nice and better? So we picked up this one from eBay. I promised myself not to get any eBay kit, but I did. I broke the rules. But anyways, it comes like this. It looks like it's a direct fit for the Mustang right here. It looks good, and I'm gonna plug this part in and then see what it looks like quick before I even continue the installation. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do. So this is what the back tab looks like. It has a tab here, and then you squeeze this part and it comes out, and this kind of just like locks in there like this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, so to take the old one off, you're just gonna, like I just showed you, you're gonna squeeze this part, boom, and then this kind of just like locks in there like this. So I'm gonna take the old one off and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So I already took it off. All I'm gonna do is kind of wiggle it out. It pops right out, and you squeeze this. You know what I mean? And wait, what? So when you take the okay, so when you take it out, it's a weird little design. Okay, so when you take it out, obviously is then you put a wire, you push it in the back and then it pops out. But for this install, you're gonna twist out the bulb itself. It comes out like this, and you're gonna take the bulb out. And with the new install, you're gonna kind of just push the bulb stuff in there. I'm not sure if it matters where it goes. So you push it in there like this, and then you plug this part in. It's pretty easy and not complicated. So I'm gonna push the key and then have it come on. So ooh, it's pretty bright, and I'll show you guys a nighttime view of it. So basically, same procedure. Okay, I put in the wrong one, so I need to find which one is the left side and which one is the right side. Okay, we are back. This is the left side that goes in there because it's gonna sit like this, and I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna push the key for you guys to see it, and it comes right on, and it's pretty bright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the plastic piece off of it and push this back in there, and then kind of boom, there we go. See, I'll come back later during the nighttime and then turn it on and then show you guys a comparison from the old one versus the new one. That thing is a bright boy, you know what I'm saying? So it's in there now, and all you have to do, take the plastic piece off of it and put it in there. But I'm gonna show you guys comparison from the new one to the old one now. Then you guys have an idea what it looks like now compared to the old one. Okay, so boys, this is what a stock one looks like. It's junk. It looks like an old ass shit, and we got the new one in here. So no tool is needed to do this install. It takes about 5 minutes to do it. Literally all you have to do is take the LED out, you know, and then throw in this little thing right here. And then when you do it, you're gonna love your car, because it's gonna give it the, you know, that aggressive kind of look on it. And it's pretty bright for what it is. I mean, it's pretty bright. I'm standing here looking at it, I'm like, holy shit, this thing can glow everywhere, you know. This is the left side, I mean the driver's side, I mean the passenger side. And when you look on the left side too, it's right there. That install has been done. Before, you could not even see the floor when this lit up. It was just a little LED, you know, halogen bulb or whatever bulb it was, lit up. But now we got an LED strip in there, and it's gonna last long. And once it goes out, all you have to do is purchase another one. I got this kit off eBay. It was like $30. So if you need one, I'm gonna drop the link below. Go check it out and then get yourself one of them. And it looks exactly like stock. And the reason why I went with it like stock, because the stock one is red, you know. I didn't want to change it to the blacked out one, because, you know, imagine getting a smoked, you know, side strip, and then you have a red LED. It doesn't make sense, and this is not smoked, you know. So if you're gonna do that, I feel like you should go smoked and smoked taillights, and it will just keep it unique and match it, you know. But other than that, if you look at this, it's pretty dope and insane looking. I liked it.